actually all out of internet for the month. For my,
Oh,
because I use my personal hotspot instead of paying for internet.
oh, okay.
I have a couple days, and so I'm trying to do it on my phone because I have unlimited data.
Oh, that's okay. Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah, but but my hotspot ran out. So
Okay. Um, all right. So we did number three, which was 0.743.
yep,
Number
four
four.
point 712.
Yep.
The last one on five.
Is it the last one?
Oh, let's see here.
I think the
It's
first one
actually B.
is it B?
Here, let me see here.
Because it says different from the population, not greater or less.
The last one on mine says P1 equals P2, and the other hypothesis, the alternative hypothesis, is P hat is unequal to P hat 2.
Yeah, that's what mine says too. But I think it's just a normal proportion, right? Because it doesn't say anything about like is a proportion of females who can taste PTC different from. It doesn't say anything about the sample proportion.
All right. The reason I put P hat is because I don't really remember. I thought it was either this one or that one. So
Okay, what do you
I
want to?
wouldn't have any problem putting A.
Okay,
All right. Point 031.
see, I was confused on this one. Is it the one that's on? Because so 3 1. Hold on a sec. I have to put the numbers in again. Hold on one second. I'm guessing they want the point estimate that like the z-score that they give you that you get once you put in the numbers, right? It's not like the normal z-score you would use to like the
Okay,
1.96.
yeah, actually, I was kind of confused on this because they have the point estimate from the other chapters. But I think the other point estimate is both, the total of both samples.
Yeah, which is p equals like p hat, whatever.
Yeah.
So you see, I was confused. I was like, is it 1.96 or is that z-score that you get when you draft all the numbers into the Excel spreadsheet? That's why I was confused about this one.
Yeah, I think, um, let's see, I'd have to redo this just to see what I put. Here, let's
Because I
see.
mean that's obviously it changes all the preceding answers or the answers after that if this p estimate's different.
18 to 2. And then,
But I can see how you got. Let me see. Let me put the numbers again. So let's see, we got 52, 70.
oh, and apparently on this,
Yeah, the z score I get at least with the hold on. Whoa, I want to change anything. But is 0.394.
yeah, that's what I got too.
So this is why I don't know. I'm at the toss ups. Like, do they want the P estimate that you would use for like a 95%, or is it for that Z score that you draft there? So that's why I don't know. Maybe it is what it maybe it is a 0.394.
Yeah. Well, that's the test statistic, not the point estimate. You know what I'm
See,
saying?
so yeah, is it? Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I think if you remember from the
Yeah,
last chapter,
yeah. It was
it's
like P hat equals P or P equals P hat.
yeah. Well, you can take you take the upper bound and the lower bound, you add them together and you divide them by 2, and that's the point estimate.
But wasn't it? Okay, hold on one sec. Because I remember seeing you go to, so like the p hat, it says where p hat equals x divided by n.
P hat.
This is on chapter 17,
X
not or lesson 18. No, this is on lesson.
Divided by n. So
so it's hard because this is for one mean, where this one we're doing two proportions. So I don't know if we just do it for both,
well,
and
if
then
the point estimate is what did you say, x divided by n?
yeah, and it would be like you see, it's p and p1, p2.
So maybe what they want is 0.271.
271.
Yeah, because you said x divided by n, right?
Right. Yeah.
So the total sample.
Right. Yeah. The total sample. Oh, yeah. You're right. You're right. Yeah. What p pulled p hat? Hold on 1 sec. Because if you do, see, is it the sample, or maybe that's what it is? I think that might what it be. Because in chapter 18 or lesson 18, I remember it said, like, you know how it talked about the overall sample proportion?
Uh-huh.
Like you do x1 plus x2 divided by n1 plus n2, and then it gives you that sample. Is you think that's what it is?
I'm not sure. Let me see if
Yeah, I'm confused on this one.
Yeah, I'm confused too.
In that case, all these answers. Well, I mean, I already have the lower bound and the upper bound because that's already generated through the Excel spreadsheet.
All right. Well, so I got negative 0.123
For the lower bound, right?
for the lower bound, and the upper bound I got 185.185.
Yeah, I got that too. So those are definitely right.
I think the point estimate is if you take all the x, so you add the two x values together,
and then divided by the both ends, right?
right? Divided by
Okay,
both
so
the total
so it's
sample.
got to be. I think I got. Well, at least mine says 729.
Oh, well, mine says 0.271.
Really? Because yeah.
35 divided by 129.
35 divided by 1.9.
Yeah, because the total of no, and then 129.
So you're doing x1 plus x2, right?
Yeah.
And then divided by n1 plus n2.
X1, yeah, the 2, so it's 18 plus 17 is 35, and then 70 plus 59 is
Oh, I see. Okay, I think because this one we have to. I'm doing it right, right? Hold on 1 sec. Hold on 1 second, man.
Kim.
Because this one we're testing not the no but the yes.
Oh, we're testing the yes?
Because it says of the proportion who can taste, not who can't taste.
Oh.
So I think that's why we're kind of mixed up there.
All right. Well, let's see here. Well, in that case, our upper bounds and lower bounds might be wrong.
Well, they should be.
I got it. No, you're right. You're right. I put it in wrong because I put it in this spreadsheet the second time and I mixed it up.
Okay.
Yeah, you're right. So let's see here. 42, 17. All right, I got 0.729.
Yeah, that's what I got too. Okay, 0 point. So that's what it should be. I'm pretty sure that's what they're looking for because I remember if it's reflected on the last lesson was P equaling P hat as well, and that's the overall. Okay, that should be right then. And then, so the margin of error is going to be different. Well, margin of error. What'd you get for margin of error?
I got 0.154.
Okay, so that's what I got too.
Okay, good. Well, that's awesome.
I seen, correct? Because
Let's
that
do
would be
group
right because
things
you
or
got
just
the.
not even
Oh
questions?
yeah, because you do 1.96 divided by the deviation.
I did the I did the upper bound minus my point estimate.
Okay, I think you could do it either other way because
Yeah.
I did the same thing. I did the 1.96 times the deviation, and I got one point the same answer.
Well, it's good that we did it a different
Different
way.
ways, and we got the same answer. So that should be right then. So you saw this. You should have this lower and upper bound the same, right?
Right. -123 and then 1.185.
Okay, cool. So that means we and your P score should be higher than the level of significance.
Yeah, my P score was 0.693.
Yeah, so we failed to reject.
Yep.
The HO, not the HA.
Yeah, and then I put there's insufficient evidence to suggest that the true proportion of females can taste PTC is different from the true proportion of males.
Yeah, which is D, right?
Yeah, D.
Okay, so on to number 12. Put true.
I put true too.
Then 13, I said D for that one.
Yep. I put that too. Here, just a second. My thing is frozen up a little. Oh, here we go. Okay.
Okay, and then 14, I put 0.141.
0.141. Yep.
Then 15.145.
Yep.
He score negative 2.020.
Yes.
Then that would 17 would be to the left.
Yes.
P-value was 0.022.
Oh, you know what? That would make sense here. Because I put point 0.43.
Uh-huh.
But that's probably because
Did you do the hypothesis wrong?
I did the hypothesis wrong. Probably I probably
That
did
type of test.
instead of less than.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I could run it again real fast.
Okay, yeah,
Here,
go ahead.
let's go through the last two questions and then I'll do it.
Okay, so obviously said you reject a null.
Yep.
And then for the last one I did C.
Yep, C.
Okay.
All right. Yeah,
So
let me just
run that real quick.
my spreadsheet real fast and then I will give you the verdict. All right. Okay. So all right, let's see. We're testing people who did die, right?
Correct, yes.
All right. Okay. 16,713. 10, 1,806. Oops. All right, and that is 18,519. And then 6,155, 17. And then 3, 6, 2, 9, 2. Okay. Yeah, 0.022.
Yep. Sweet.
Okay.
All right, so we good to try to submit it then?
Yeah, let's submit it and see what we got.
Yeah, the only one I'm concerned about is that point estimate one, but I think that's what he's going to be doing.
Yeah, we'll see. See what we got. This isn't letting me scroll down to see what I got. So
yeah, so we got one wrong. It's probably the point estimate one. Let's check it. Let's see. Yeah, that was it. Yep. That's wrong.
You know what I would put for it?
Is it 1.96?
I would put negative. Oh, I already switched my stuff up here. Just a second.
Or the 3 something, like 394?
This is
No,
what
because that's a test statistic.
here I would put 0.031.
0.031.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's try that then. Let me open up lesson 18.
All right, so yeah, well, help me. You're gonna have to help me run through these things again. Let's see here.
Yeah, I got my other things. So.
All right, here I can just put it in 0.743. 0.712. And then we put the last one, right? No,
for the hold on one sec. True. 0.743. Zero point 712. No, it was A.
oh yeah, I put A.
Okay.
I said it was D, right? And then I was like, no, it's A. So
Okay, so you saying that 6 is going to be 0.031?
yeah, 0.031.
Hmm.
And I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure I'm right. You know.
We'll see. Okay,
We'll see.
0.154. Our bound is -1. This is like -0.123, right?
Here's a second. What are you asking?
I got it. I just let me reflect here.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Sorry.
Let's see. On 11, it was D, right? Insufficient evidence. Just
Yeah. HO. It's different. And this one's true.
This isn't letting me look at the graphic on the information for question 12. Could you read the numbers to me?
Oh, sure. So for group 1, at least for the numbers you need, X is for P1 is going to be 16 or 16713.
Okay.
And then your N is 118519.
519.
Yeah. And then for your group 2 or P2, your X is 6155.
Okay.
And then your N is 42447.
All right. Just to make sure, X1 is 16,713.
Yep.
N1 is 118519.
Yep.
Then X2 is 6155.
Yep.
N2 is 42,447.
Correct.
All right. Great.
And this one is the last one. P1 was
I think I got a different thing. Wasn't the z score like 2.02?
The z-score was negative 2.020.
Yeah, that's what I thought. What have I done wrong here?
Which, yeah, that's the right answer too. So
No, for this I have negative 1.749. So I wonder what I did wrong here.
we have should have the things listed. Let me see. Hold on a sec.
Oh, I know what I did wrong. Okay, I know what I did wrong. Here. 1, 1.
2. So 0.031. Once you get like done answering the questions, just walk me through how you got that. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna be the right answer, but I just don't know how you got the 0.031.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, I have to go back because I had to fix a mistake.
Okay. Oh, you said something about like dividing by 2, right? Like minusing the confidence intervals divided by 2 or something like that.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll walk you through it in just a second. I mean, I got it right on the other ones, when they've asked for it. So I just used the same thing from the last chapters.
Gotcha.
Who knows?
Yeah.
Because it kind of seems like it kind of changes a little bit each chapter. So.
Yeah, it's just that's kind of annoying, but
yeah.
By 2.
Left p-value for the test is 0.02. Reject the null hypothesis. And then let's see, what did we say for the last one? D?
It was C.
Oh, C. Okay, let's see here. All right. So, yeah, okay. So this is how you do it for the point estimate.
Mm-hmm.
You take the upper bound, the lower bound, you add them together, and you divide it by 2.
You add them, you don't minus them. Okay, that's why I was like, I'm getting a different number. I don't know. Oh, I don't have the right numbers in entered in anyway. So, wait, no, I should have the right numbers. This is based on the first set of data, right?
Right.
So you take the upper bound, the lower bound, add them together, and divide it by 2. I get a different answer.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. Hold on a sec. I get 0.124.
Here, I'll enter mine in again.
I'm pretty sure I have 52 as x1, 70 as n1, 42 by x2, and n2 is 59.
Yeah, I still get 0.0. Yeah, so you take the upper bound, which is negative 0.123, and you add 0.185, and then you divide it by 2.
I'll say the lower bound plus the upper bound.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now I get that. But it's a negative, right?
It shouldn't be a negative.
That's what I'm getting, because I do the same thing and I get a negative. But yeah.
But do you have the error? I mean, yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna submit it.
All
See
right.
what I'll let you know if I can see it this time.
Okay.
Nope, it's not letting me. Here, let me see if I can access it another way.
Oh, like you submit it and doesn't let you see the answers?
Yeah, you can see if I got it right or not.
Okay, that's what I was saying, but I know you're saying it doesn't. Oh, I see what you're saying.
Let's see here. Missions. Well, attempt 2, I got 100%.
Okay, so I was right then.
Yep.
That's interesting.
So, cool. All right. Well, I'm gonna get out of here because I'm gonna try and go get some sleep.
All right, man. I guess we'll. I don't. Did you get any emails yet about the IRB thing?
No, I haven't. Maybe we should text Marco and ask him.
Yeah, I'll definitely do that because yeah, I think that's due like the 18th or something like that.
Yeah. All right. Cool. Yeah. Maybe just text me, or not text me, but text our little group thing and see if if he'll respond. And
Yeah, I'll definitely do that. Once we're done here,
all
I'll
right. Cool.
post a video and everything. So,
All right. Well, thanks for meeting tonight.
yeah, for sure. So we'll see you Thursday. Hopefully, Marco can meet us up too.
Yep, for sure.
All right, man. Take it easy.
All right. You too.
All right,
Bye.
bye.